morning, afternoon, or evening, ladies and gentlemen. How is everybody doing today? I hope this video finds you well and in good spirits, guys. I hope you were able to relax over the weekend and get away from school and get a break from school for a little bit. For football fans, I hope you got to enjoy some good football and being able to watch some good football. If your team is in the playoffs, I hope they won. The only exception to that is the Indianapolis Colts, because obviously you guys know my team and they needed to win over the Colts. So if there are any Colts fans out there, I'm very sorry, but my team, to me, is more important than the Colts at this particular point. So I do apologize. But so I hope you guys got to watch some good football. For anybody that is a video game fan, I hope you guys got to take and play some video games and relax a bit. Those of you that play sports like hockey, volleyball, or soccer, or anything else, there's not a whole lot of outdoor soccer going on, but I don't know if there's any indoor soccer. But either way, regardless, a lot of you play hockey, so I hope you got to have a little fun and got to get out and get to some practices and have a scrimmage or two with your teammates and stuff like that. Those of you that are outdoors fans, I hope you guys got to get out and do some snowshoeing or some cross-country skiing or some downhill skiing, snowboarding, whatever, some sledding, whatever you guys like to do. I hope you guys really got to recharge and relax over the weekend and got to have some fun and take a break from school for a little bit. So the plan for this week, this is the week of January 11th to January 15th. The plan for this week is to continue talking about the Revolutionary War. So the lesson for today, guys, and what I would like you guys to do today is to complete the Road to Revolution notes. So we can see from the instruction slides that you are going to use the Road to Revolution Google Slides to answer the questions in our Road to Revolution notes. So this is the set of Road to Revolution slides. We started talking a little bit about it on Thursday and Friday when we talked about the English Bill of Rights, the Great Awakening, and the French and Indian War. So what I would like you guys to do is I'd like you to go through this whole PowerPoint. You can ignore the Pear Deck slides. Those we'll do in class. But what I would like you guys to go ahead and do is just answer these 13 questions. The questions aren't too difficult. It's just based on the information you see in the slides. They should be pretty easy, pretty straightforward, guys. You will see some of the wording in the slides in the question to help you zero in and figure out exactly where you'll find the answer and to make it a little bit easier for you to answer that question. So as long as you answer these 13 questions, that's all I have for you for today, guys. All you got to do is hand it back into this assignment once you're done, and you will be all set. These notes are due on Wednesday, just so you know, just so you're aware. Okay? So make sure you get those done. Make sure you have those completed. Okay, so that takes care of today. Tomorrow, the live lesson is just going to be to continue the Road to Revolution. It's going to be talking about the taxes that Parliament put in place that aggravated the colonists. And then we're going to talk a little bit about the Boston Massacre. And we'll get into that when you guys are here tomorrow. For those of you that are at home, tomorrow and Wednesday, I should say. For those of you that are at home either tomorrow or Wednesday, depending on what day you're at home and what day is your digital day, you guys are going to be working on the Unit 5 key terms. So as we can see, I want you guys to complete your Unit 5 key terms 1 through 8. Okay, so that's just Samuel Adams all the way to the Quartering Act. So I added the link for the textbook into this assignment. So all you got to do is just make sure you do that. And then you're going to submit that assignment once I post it tomorrow. And you guys will be all set and squared away. All right. So that's all there is to it. If you've already completed that, you can copy and paste it into the assignment, copy and paste the definitions into the assignments that I have, or you can, or the assignment I created for you. Sorry, guys. Or you can take and just attach your completed set of key terms to that assignment. Whatever works for you. If you can't get it to work and you need to email it to me, you can definitely do that if that makes your life easier. Okay? So that takes care of Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday and Friday, for Thursday and Friday live, we're going to take a look at a couple of documents about the Boston Massacre, and we're going to try to set up the historical context, review what historical context is, and also take a look at bias and take a look at what the bias of a particular document or a particular cartoonist might be. So we're going to talk a little bit about that. That's going to be the focus for our lesson on Thursday and Friday. And then for those of you that are at home, all you're going to do is just watch the Crash Course U.S. History video to review what we discussed Tuesday and Wednesday in class. It's very simple. This is the video you're going to be watching. It is a Crash Course U.S. History video. It's called Taxes and Smuggling, Prelude to Revolution, Crash Course U.S. History number 6. So that's what you're looking for. That's the video you're going to watch. That's all you're going to have to do for Thursday and Friday. That will wrap up this week's class for this week. That'll wrap up what we're doing this week. So if you guys do have any questions, if you do have any concerns, please reach out to me and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. With that said, I hope you guys have a fantastically awesome day today, and I will see you guys tomorrow on the computer. Unfortunately, we are remote for this week, but we'll be back to in-person and hybrid learning before you know it, guys. So just be patient. Have a fantastic day, guys. If you need anything, let me know, and I will see you guys tomorrow and Wednesday. Have a great day, guys.